In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways how to buy more credits on HeyGen. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser and go to heygen.com. Then from there, simply sign into the account where you would like to purchase more credits. Now, the first way to purchase more credits is by simply going to your plan and pricing. Then from here, we can go ahead and upgrade our account or our plan. So we've got Creator here or Pro. We can change from monthly subscriptions or yearly. If you go yearly, you're going to save more money here. As you can see, we've got individual and business plans. So basically, go ahead and click on Get Started on one of these. So from free, you can go straight to Creator and then click onto that. And then we can check out via PayPal or buying using our credit card details. Now, another way to do this is to go ahead and click onto your profile, then click into settings. Then once we're inside of settings, go to plan and billings, and then we can choose to buy an add-on. So if we click on buy add-ons, we can go ahead and buy add-ons to our plan from here to purchase more credits.